Welcome back to the Good World Facts and News channel. We've all heard it. 10,000 steps a day keeps the doctor away. But where did this magical number come from, and is it truly the key to a healthier life? The 10,000 step goal originated in Japan in the 1960s as a marketing ploy for a pedometer. However, it has since become a global phenomenon, with fitness trackers and smartphones constantly reminding us to get our steps in. There's no denying that leading a sedentary lifestyle can be detrimental to our health. We're designed to move, and sitting for prolonged periods has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. So while the 10,000 step goal may not be a magic bullet, it does encourage us to be more active and break free from the dangers of a sedentary lifestyle. The beauty of the 10,000 step goal lies in its simplicity. It's a clear and achievable target that can be easily tracked, motivating us to incorporate more movement into our daily routines. Whether it's taking the stairs instead of the lift, parking further away from our destination, or simply going for a brisk walk during our lunch break, every step counts towards a healthier and happier us. Walking might seem like a simple activity, but its impact on our health is profound. Regular walking, especially at a brisk pace, can work wonders for both our physical and mental well-being. Let's delve into the amazing benefits that come with putting one foot in front of the other. Firstly, walking is a fantastic cardiovascular workout. It strengthens our heart and lungs, improves blood circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Studies have shown that people who walk regularly have a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Walking also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with or at risk of diabetes. Beyond its physical benefits, walking can also do wonders for our mental health. Walking releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can alleviate stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Moreover, walking in nature has been shown to have even greater positive effects on our mental well-being, reducing stress hormones and promoting relaxation. Now please, take a moment to like and subscribe. While walking 10,000 steps a day offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to acknowledge that this goal may not be suitable for everyone. Just like any form of exercise, it's crucial to listen to our bodies and avoid overexertion, which can lead to injuries and setbacks. For individuals who are new to exercise or have underlying health conditions, jumping straight into 10,000 steps a day can be too much, too soon. It's essential to start gradually and gradually increase the number of steps over time, allowing our bodies to adapt and minimize the risk of injury. Additionally, it's crucial to choose appropriate footwear and walking surfaces to reduce the impact on our joints. Furthermore, it's important to note that focusing solely on step count can sometimes overshadow other important aspects of a healthy lifestyle. While walking is undoubtedly beneficial, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach that includes a nutritious diet, adequate sleep, stress management, and other forms of physical activity. Finding your stride, practical tips for a sustainable walking routine. Ready to lace up those walking shoes and embark on a journey towards a healthier you? Here are some practical tips to help you get started and stay consistent with your walking routine. First, start small and gradually increase your steps. Begin with a manageable goal, such as 3,000 steps a day, and gradually increase it by 500 to 1,000 steps each week. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Second, make it a part of your daily routine. Incorporate walking into your daily activities. Take the stairs instead of the lift, walk or cycle to work or run errands, or simply go for a walk during your lunch break. Next, find a walking buddy. Walking with a friend or family member can make the experience more enjoyable and keep you motivated. You can chat, enjoy the scenery together, and hold each other accountable. Also, track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or smartphone app to monitor your steps and celebrate your achievements. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator to keep going. Lastly, listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort. If you experience any sharp or persistent pain, stop walking and consult a healthcare professional. Walking the talk, striking a balance for long-term well-being. The 10,000 step goal has undoubtedly inspired millions to become more active, and the benefits of regular walking are undeniable. However, it's crucial to approach this goal with a balanced perspective, recognizing that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The key takeaway is that any amount of walking is better than none. Whether you aim for 5,000, 10,000, or any number of steps, the most important thing is to find a level of activity that you enjoy and can sustain in the long run. Listen to your body, start gradually, and gradually increase your activity levels. Remember, walking should be an enjoyable experience, not a chore. So put on your walking shoes, embrace the journey, and reap the numerous physical and mental benefits that come with putting one foot in front of the other. Happy walking!